Today I'm exposing 4 engine flush products you should never use, because they can clog your engine, destroy seals, and cause some serious damage. And I'll show you 3 products that actually work safely, backed by 15 years of real testing and engine teardowns. If you care about your engine, keep watching. Why engine flushes can be dangerous. Here's the truth. Most companies won't tell you. Sludge isn't your biggest problem, it's what happens when you try to remove it too fast. Cheap engine flushes use aggressive solvents that break sludge into large chunks. Those chunks don't disappear. They circulate through your engine, clog the oil pickup screen, and cut off lubrication. That's when the damage starts. Bearing wear, oil starvation, even full engine failure. I've seen engines go from running fine to rod knock in under 500 miles after using the wrong flush. Products to avoid. Risolone engine treatment. This is old-school chemistry that doesn't belong in modern engines. It uses harsh petroleum solvents that dissolve sludge way too fast. Instead of safely removing buildup, it turns sludge into a thick slurry that flows through your bearings and oil passages. I've tested oil after using it, and the contamination levels are extreme. Even worse, it attacks rubber seals, causing leaks that didn't exist before. What starts as a cheap fix can quickly turn into serious engine damage. SeaFoam motor treatment. SeaFoam has a massive following, and yes, it works well, as a fuel system cleaner. But as an engine flush, it's risky. It's basically a mix similar to paint thinner, designed to dissolve deposits aggressively. The problem is, it lacks proper detergents and dispersants to safely control debris, so sludge breaks apart, and then settles in the oil pan, or circulates until it clogs something critical. Even worse, many people drive long distances with it in their oil. That means your engine is running on dirty, contaminated oil full of debris. That's not cleaning, that's slow internal damage. Gunk engine flush. This is what happens when a product is designed to be cheap instead of, actually safe. Gunk uses these extremely aggressive solvents that don't just remove sludge, they also damage gaskets, valve seals, and plastic components. Honestly, I've seen engines develop leaks immediately after using it. It even strips away the protective oil film, which increases the risk of metal-on-metal contact. So, saving a few dollars here can end up costing you thousands later. Bars leaks engine flush. This product works in just a few minutes, and honestly, that's exactly the problem. To work that fast, it uses extremely aggressive chemistry that strips everything sludge, protective coatings, and anti-corrosion layers. After testing, I've seen engines show increased corrosion after using it. It also causes seals to swell and then shrink, leading to leaks. And because it works so quickly, it creates too much debris too fast, without enough time to drain safely. Now let's talk about what actually works, and won't destroy your engine. Liqui Moly engine flush. This is the gold standard. Instead of harsh solvents, it uses balanced detergents that clean gradually. That means no large debris chunks, no clogged passages, no seal damage. Everything stays in tiny particles that drain out safely. I've used it on heavily sludged engines with excellent results. BG-109 Engine Performance Restoration. This is professional grade, used in repair shops. It cleans while still protecting your engine. It includes anti-wear additives and friction modifiers, so lubrication is maintained during the cleaning process. Perfect for engines that have been neglected or poorly maintained. Amsoil engine and transmission flush. This product uses a gentler approach. It works over a longer period, allowing the cleaning process to happen slowly and safely. That means deep cleaning, no aggressive shock, no damage to seals. It's ideal for engines with moderate sludge buildup.